On June 1st, 2023, Patrolman Harry Moore with the Magnolia Police Department responded to a report of a motor vehicle accident on White Horse Pike near the intersection with Evesham Avenue. He observed that a 2016 Kia Optima had struck a 2021 Toyota Highlander. The driver of the Kia Optima was identified as Alexa, and she claimed that she struck the vehicle in front of her after the light turned green. However, there was heavy front-end damage, and the Kia was leaking fluids, so the officers believed that she was going at a much higher rate of speed at the time of impact.
Is there anyone else in the car?
Is there anybody else in the car?
Yeah, okay.
Officer, I'm
Sure.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're fine.
He asked earlier. I only have that. I don't have my health insurance on me.
Do you have the insurance for the car?
My registration.
Yeah, the insurance. Yeah, we don't need your health. We don't need your health insurance. We just need insurance for the car. Yeah, so I was out and asked, can you turn the car off because it's smoking? I don't want it to catch on fire.
I didn't hear
You're fine. You're fine. I get it. I just don't want to see it catch on fire and anything happen, you know, God forbid. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so what happened?
We were at a red light, and then it turned green, and it looked like she was going, but then she didn't, and then I didn't into her. I will admit to that. It looked like she was going, and she didn't.
Okay.
So
you guys were stopped, and then you started to go?
Yes.
How hard did you hit her? Because
red
your hood's been up like halfway up your windshield.
So I was coming from ongoing the traffic, and then I was slowing down, and then we met the impact, and this was.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from my friend's house.
Okay. Were you drinking at all tonight?
I did have one drink.
You had one drink?
I did.
Okay, because you're pretty slurry right now, and your eyes are pretty glassy.
I don't mean to be that way. I'll just be honest. I'm a special education teacher.
Where are you a teacher at?
I'm not lying. One drink.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Okay, let me just grab all your information.
Okay.
Sergeant James Swan arrived on scene to assist shortly afterwards. As the officers were speaking with Alexa, they detected the odor of alcohol and observed other indicators of impairment. Alexa told the officers that she was coming from her friend's house, and she admitted to drinking wine earlier that evening. Based on the officers' suspicion of impairment, Alexa was asked to perform field sobriety exercises.
If you can, hang up the phone. I want to talk to you a minute.
So you know where I am?
I'll go talk to the other driver quick, see if she's cool with me moving her car. That way he can...
You can't. It has a...
Oh, it's disabled?
No, box.
Oh, that does?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be a minute.
Okay. Where, how much did you have to drink tonight?
Nah, just the one.
I had one glass of wine.
You had what?
I had one glass of wine.
Okay, and
I
how...
was at a girlfriend's house,
Yeah, so I'm not going into it.
and it just stopped out of nowhere.
She just stopped out of nowhere? Okay. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you come out of the car. I want you to perform a couple tests for me to make sure you're not intoxicated, okay? So just step out of the car. And we're going to walk right over here to this parking lot here. Just hang tight 1 second, okay? Okay, come on. Just watch your step. because there's a little bit of a lip here, and it kind of goes down, okay? Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm a special ed teacher and I just...
Okay.
I'm sorry.
All right, what I want you to do... It's me.
Okay.
What I want you to do is I want you to keep your feet together just like I am.
Okay.
Heel to heel, toe to toe.
Okay.
Okay? I want you to keep your hands down to your side.
Okay.
Don't raise them. Don't do anything. Don't do any tests until I tell you to start. Okay? What I want you to do is, see the tip of my pen?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it like... Thank you. See the tip of my pen here?
Yeah.
What I want you to do is I want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Like your neck's in a neck brace.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Next test, what I want you to do is keep your hands down your side, okay? Don't start until I tell you, okay? What I want you to do is with whatever, keep your hands, both hands down your side, okay? Keep your feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe, just like I am.
Okay.
Okay? Hands down your side, just like this, okay? Don't start until I tell you, okay? Whatever foot you feel comfortable with, okay? What I want you to do is, I want you to lift it approximately 6 inches off the ground, just like I am. While looking down at your foot, I want you to count out loud, 1001, 1002, until I tell you to stop. Do you understand that? Okay, you can proceed.
Wait.
Look down at your foot. I'll explain it again. What I want you to do is... let me know when you're ready.
I just can't believe it's happening. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Yep. What I want you to... don't start until I tell you. I'm going to re-explain it to you, okay? What I want you to do is keep your hands down your side, feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe, just like I am. Don't start until I tell you to start. What I want you to do when I tell you to start is I want you to lift any foot that you feel comfortable with approximately 6 inches off the ground. I want you to count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, and while looking at your foot until I tell you to stop, okay? You can proceed. Look down at your foot.
Okay. Down. Okay.
You're looking down at your foot and you're counting.
Patrolman Moore started with the horizontal gaze nystagmus test. During the HGN test, Patrolman Moore observed the lack of smooth pursuit, distinct and sustained nystagmus at maximum deviation, and the onset of nystagmus prior to 45 degrees. The second exercise was the one-leg stand. During the one-leg stand test, Alexa failed to raise her foot in the proper fashion and put her foot down before the test was complete. The final test they attempted to administer was the walk and turn test, but it was terminated early for safety reasons.
Okay. That's enough. I don't want you to proceed anymore, okay? What I want you to do is turn it over this line here. On this white line right here.
Oh my God, this is
Okay.
so insane.
All right, do me a favor. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Okay, you're being placed under arrest.
Oh my God, no, please, no,
No.
I'll do it, please, no.
Do not resist.
I don't want to.
Okay? You are too intoxicated to be driving.
Please don't resist me.
Okay.
Please, I'm sorry.
Listen.
Just follow his directions.
Oh my God, this is so crazy.
Where is this call?
Oh my God. I will. Oh my God.
Man, don't make this any harder, okay? I just need you to just cooperate with me, okay? You're not. You're not. Okay, we're gonna
Holy shit! Oh my God!
jump in my car
Flip it around.
and bring it right over here for me.
Oh my God!
Yes, car 1.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
To let you know, at this time, you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? I believe you had a little bit too much to drink.
No,
Okay?
I didn't. Oh my god. Holy shit. This is insane.
Okay, we're going to step right here to this car right here, okay?
Okay, that's fine. I'm not.
I know, I just want to make sure you're not falling, that's all.
I'm not gonna resist.
Okay,
but this is crazy.
Alright, just have a seat.
This is what people need to learn. Oh my god. Holy fucking shit. Can I call my husband, please?
Yes, as soon as we get to the station, you'll be able to call your
Can I
husband.
call him?
No, when we get to the station, you'll be able to make a phone call, okay?
Oh my god. Seriously? I can't call him before I get to this.
No. Okay, listen. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. You can afford an attorney. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you so desire. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions and make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights that I've explained to you?
I do.
Okay.
And someone from,
having
from
these,
the
having
union
these
that
rights
sucks
in mind,
that this is the
do you wish
perspective that we're
do you
from.
wish to talk to us now? Is that all her stuff?
That's right. Do you have anything else in the car that you need? I have your phone and your wallet and your keys. Do you need anything else?
I don't know. Do I need my registration?
No.
No, is there anything important that you need tonight from there? Because you can get stuff later on, but right now I'm just asking her to see if there's anything else she needs to grab for you.
And then my license is in there.
Did you give her her documents back?
I got it.
You got it. Okay. Here's her wallet, her phone. Actually, the fob I should probably get.
Based on the motor vehicle crash, her admission to consuming alcohol, and her inability to satisfactorily complete the field sobriety exercises, Patrolman Moore placed Alexa under arrest for driving under the influence. Her vehicle was impounded for a 12-hour hold, according to John's Law. Patrolman Moore transported Alexa to the Magnolia Police Department for further processing.
Okay. We're gonna step right out, and we're gonna step right up here to the steps here, okay?
Can I call my husband?
Yes, ma'am. As soon as we go inside, okay?
I don't think he understands.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Officer Moore.
It's okay.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
There is no reason to be scared. I promise you. I am one of the most lighthearted people that you'll ever meet.
I am too, and that's why I'm like, I can't believe I'm in this situation.
Okay, you all right?
I just want my husband.
All right, just hang tight.
I don't even know.
You're in Magnolia.
Where?
Magnolia. Okay, let's step up here.
Oh my god.
Just watch your step, okay?
Okay.
And then there's going to be a few steps here.
Okay, up here.
Yep, we're going to go right up here.
Okay.
Okay. And take one side. I'm just going to go around you.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to step up here.
Okay.
We're going to make a left, and then we're going to make two rights.
Okay. One right.
Yep. And then let me turn this light on. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Just step right over here for me. Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry.
I don't want you to fall.
I don't want to.
Just stand up for me for 1 second. I'm going to take these off you.
Okay.
Need a trash can?
No, I don't.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, Yes, I
All right.
fumbled it. I know, no, but I don't. I just. My life. It's just been borderline.
Okay, I just need your right hand. Okay, just put your right hand here, right here for me, okay? Okay. You don't have anything in your mouth, no gum, no nothing like that, right? Okay, perfect.
Alexa was read the standard statement for motor vehicle operators, and she agreed to submit breath samples. Her ALCA-test results indicated a BAC level of 0.21%, which was more than double the legal limit of 0.08%. Alexa was eventually released to her husband, pending her court appearance after he signed the potential liability warning form on Alexa's behalf. Court records indicate that on August 8, 2023, Alexa was found guilty of operating under the influence and careless driving. As a result of her convictions, she had to use an ignition interlock device for 3 months, spend 12 hours at an intoxicated driver resource center, and pay a total of $880 in fines. Patrolman Moore issued Alexa the following citations: operating under the influence and careless driving